Students, in this video what we are going to learn about representation of set. We learned about set, how it is written. Now we are going to see how mathematically the representation of set is done. A set can be represented in two forms. One is roster form or tabular form. The another name for roster form is tabular form. Next one is set builder form. We will see one by one what is roster form and then what is set builder form. Roster form or tabular form. In this form we represent a set by listing all the elements of the sets. Elements are being separated by commas and enclosed within braces. So in this roster method or tabular method, we must write all the elements of the set, and the objects or the members will be separated from one another by comma symbol, and the set will be enclosed by this braces. You just look at this example. Let A be the set. Actually we name the set as capital A. This set contains all the letters in the word maths. This set A contains all the letters in the word mathematics. So in this tabular form or roster form, we will write this as set A is equal to the elements are enclosed within braces, and then the members are separated by commas. M separated from A by this comma, and then this A is separated from another member T by this comma. I hope you understand this. These are the easy concepts, and then we are going to see now some important remarks which is being followed while we represent the sets in tabular form. The order in which elements are listed is not important. For example, the set A can be written like this. This is same as this also, AHSTMS. Here members order has been changed, but all the members are present here. So the order in which elements are listed is not important. Both of them represent set A only. I hope you understand this. Now we will move on to next important remark. The second remark is elements are not generally repeated while writing the set in the roster form. We should not repeat any member inside the set. For example, set B contains the word, all the letters in the word book. So we represent the set as capital B, in which we have 4 letters, among which 2 letters are repeated, but when we write them we will not repeat the word letter once again. B is written only once, K is written only once. Instead of 2 O's, here we have written only one. Repetition is not allowed inside the set. That is what they try to communicate here. I hope you understand these two important notes belonging to the concept roster form. Now we will move on to set builder form. In this set builder form, we describe the element of the set using a symbol X. Actually here the elements will be represented by the symbol X. That X should be followed by colon or vertical bar. This colon should be read, or this vertical bar should be read as such that, and then we write the characteristic property possessed by all the elements of the set and enclosed the whole description within braces. You can understand this concept with an example. Now if you look at this, we need to write the set which is named as B. The set contains all even integers. Here tabular form or roster form is very difficult, because in roster or tabular form we list all the elements of the set. All the elements of the set must be written inside this bracket, right? But here if you look at this, all even integer means there are infinitely many even integer numbers present. Hence they cannot be written in the form of tabular form or roster form. So we are using set builder form. Here we must write the general property which contains general property exhibited by all the even integers. For example, this should be written in the system set builder form as B, which is enclosed by this parenthesis bracket. Here if you look at this, we describe the element of the set using the symbol X. So all the elements are represented using the symbol X, and then colon. This colon should be written as such that, and then all the even integers will be in the form of 2n. Even integer means it is the product of 2. 2 into any natural number will give us even integer. That's why x is equal to 2n. This property is exhibited by all the even integers, and then this n belongs to integer. So this should be read as, there is a set B which contains the elements x such that x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to integer. I repeat it once again how this should be read. I will read this one. There is a set B which contains the elements x such that x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to integer. I hope you understand this concept. Due to the time limit, I complete this video now. In the next video, we are going to see problems related to sets. Thank you, students.